So today I'm about to show you how to monetize a knowledge seed in Flowith.io. If you have built an expert data set, compiled valuable industry resources, or organized original content inside your knowledge garden, you can turn that curated data into a recurring revenue stream. The platform allows you to share your private knowledge bases directly with the community for a price. To monetize your seed and open your knowledge garden, select the specific knowledge base or file collection you want to share, click on its settings, and select the Publish to Marketplace option. A configuration window will appear. Here, you can write a clear description explaining how your data helps AI agents. Finally, toggle the monetization switch to on. Set your access price and hit submit. Once approved, your knowledge seed will go live on the global knowledge market. And that's it. That's how to monetize a knowledge seed in Flowith.io. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you in the next one.